What if I told you that there is a secret formula used by photographers and filmmakers around the world to captivate their audience? A technique so powerful, yet so simple that it could transform your visuals from ordinary to extraordinary. This is called the rule of thirds. And today we're discussing how it can revolutionize your compositions. First things first, what is the rule of thirds? Imagine dividing your screen with two horizontal and two vertical lines, creating 9 equal parts. The points where these lines intersect are where all the magic happens. Positioning your subject at these points or along the lines creates a more engaging and aesthetically pleasing image than simply just centering the subject. The rule of thirds isn't new. It's actually rooted in the concept of the golden ratio, which is all part of the Fibonacci spiral, a mathematical ratio found in nature, art, and architecture, known for its aesthetically pleasing properties. Adopted by artists and photographers, the rule of thirds is a simplification of this ratio tailored for visual compositions. See my video, Why Are You Afraid of the Fibonacci Spiral? The link is in the description below. Hey, now is probably a good time for you to subscribe to my channel and click that like button. I really appreciate it. Thanks. But why does the rule of thirds work? Well, the rule of thirds plays into the natural way our eyes wander over an image. By placing the subject off center, it allows the viewer's gaze to roam, creating a more dynamic interaction with the image. This technique also gives your compositions balance, ensuring each element coexists harmoniously within the frame. Okay, let's talk application here. In photography, whether you're capturing landscapes, portraits, or still life, the rule of thirds can be your guide. For landscapes, position the horizon along the top or bottom horizontal line. In portraits, place the subject's eyes at one of the intersecting points to draw the viewers in. Once you've mastered the basics, you can start playing with different variations. Breaking the rule intentionally can lead to innovation, eye-catching compositions. Use it as a foundation to experiment, adapt, and develop your own unique style. But remember, you must understand the rules of photography before you can break them. The rule of thirds is more than a rule. It's a tool for visual storytelling. It guides the viewer's eyes, evokes emotions, and transforms simple shots into memorable ones. The more you practice, you'll develop an instinct for composition that transcends any rule book. The world is your canvas, and the rule of thirds is just one brush in your toolkit. Experiment, explore, and express your vision. What is the most important rule in photography? Well, that there are no limits to creativity. Take care, everyone.